Today we're going to learn about oil spills. Before I start, does anyone have any questions?
Why do we have to learn about oil spills?
Well, oil spills happen because humans use crude oil and oil distilled products, such as gasoline, diesel fuels, and jet fuels, which can possibly pollute the land, air, and water environments. When the oil contaminates the environment, it's called an oil spill. The presence of oil can be hazardous to marine life.
How does it affect us?
Well, oil spills have both short and long-term effects on us wildlife. Not only is sea life affected, but local species like birds. All kinds of animals feel the consequence. The presence of oil makes the environment different and hard for animals to adapt. Like us birds, for example, depend on our feathers. If oil were to reach us, we'd have a hard time swimming, flying, and even walking. The oil can affect our insulating ability and the water repellency of our feathers. When cleaning ourselves, we can accidentally ingest oil, which is poisonous.
How does the oil get in the water?
Well, accidents happen, kids. Pipelines, refineries, and storage facility equipment may break down when drilling work is carried out at sea. Equipment faults are also a big issue. If equipment at sea gets old and has to be moved, the process of moving it can cause just as many problems as the equipment breaking down. Then there's causes by nature and humans. Natural disasters can wear down equipment and cause oil to spill. Humans can sometimes be reckless when handling equipment, and in some cases, humans drain things such as car oil into the sewer system, which eventually reaches us wildlife. The oil sits on the water and slowly thins out, which can take days and sometimes weeks.
Days? Weeks?
Is there anything we can do about it?
Well, there are three most commonly ways to resolve the oil spills. First off is boom and skimmers, temporary floating devices used to contain an oil spill. They reduce the possibility of the oil spreading. Next is inside tube burning, or ISB, which burns a layer of oil over the water. Next are oil dispersants, which are chemical agents that break up an oil slick into smaller droplets, which dilute throughout the water. The methods and tools used depend on the circumstances of each event, as the weather, whether the people live nearby the scene, how far from shore the oil spill is, or how much and what kind of oil has to be dealt with. Oil spills can happen everywhere, but most seem to happen in the Gulf of Mexico. The largest American oil spill in history happened there in 2010.